Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the room ready and mixing correctly. Clear furniture, mask trim, and lay down 6mm plastic so cleanup is easy. Mix the premix knockdown compound to the bag ratio and thin slowly until smooth. You want no lumps. Once mixed, load your hopper gun or apply with a brush and trowel, and test spray on scrap drywall to dial in pattern and pressure. Make that first application consistent. This establishes texture, depth, and adhesion for the rest of the wall. You now create and shape the texture. Work in 4/6 FT sections. Spray or float a uniform pattern and overlap each pass slightly so there are no thin spots. Watch the compound. Wait about 8 to 15 minutes until the peaks form but still hold moisture. Warmer rooms dry faster, so adjust timing. Then, with a clean 12 to 18-inch drywall knife held at roughly 20 to 30 degrees, gently drag across the surface to knock down peaks. Make smooth, single strokes to preserve pattern continuity. You finish by refining and protecting the texture. Let the wall dry fully, then feather any uneven edges with a light skim coat and sand sparingly. Excessive sanding destroys texture. Prime with a high-adhesion primer before applying 2 paint coats for even coverage. If the compound skins too fast, mist it lightly and re-knock down immediately to blend. If you get sags, scrape the defective area, patch, retexture, and knock down again. Make sure to inspect under good light for consistent results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.